In this video, I'm going to tell you what the flashing yellow circle on your backpack in Once Human actually means. So as you can see, I currently do not have that flashing circle. However, sometimes it may happen that you'll get this circle to flash. It's this one at the very top of my backpack, as you can see. So this is actually a detector for morphic boxes. Now if you look at the backpack on the top right, a small circle will start flashing yellow, and if it blinks, it tells you you're near one of these boxes, and those boxes have some pretty nifty loot. Now you have to tap your Q button to snap your fingers, and it will appear. Now, you can also use different interactive maps to locate those. They're called Deopa's maps or something like this. I don't have one on me right now, so I can't show you. However, you can use those to locate those morphic boxes, and you usually have to kill a little bug that's carrying them, and then you'll be able to open these. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.